told him that you had a flip-phone camera. He says as long as it has a viewfinder, he's good.
What do you mean a viewfinder?
She said she wants me to correspond with her.
Nico, what are you doing?
Checking.
What are you checking? Hmm?
This one.
You gonna play a game?
Select a puzzle.
Are you gonna play a game? What game are you playing? Nico. Earth to Nicholas.
This one?
Hey, why did you close all the doors again today?
Select an item.
Do you know why you closed the doors?
Sun.
Nico.
Mercury.
Nicholas.
Venus.
Why do you close all the doors?
Fine.
What?
Find these doors.
Why are you closing them?
Fine.
Fine, so they're fine?
Yeah.
Yeah, why? Is it too slow? Alright, I'll turn it off.
Just pause a couple of things.
I don't think I want to get the one thing anyways. The final, Silent Hill 4, whatever, the PC game. Alright. Say bye-bye, Nico.
Bye-bye.